Color show Swaran Ghar is getting ready for some high voltage and emotional drama. In the upcoming episode of the show, during the family get together, Nakul's condition immediately starts to deteriorate and he begins to cough excessively. The entire family worries for Nakul, but they are shocked when blood starts to come out of his mouth. Also, perhaps for the first time since the show went on air, viewers will get to see some real emotions from Vikram and Kiran seeing Nakul in such a state. Swaran remains frozen to the spot seeing her son cough blood, and even after Ajit tries to calm her down, she remains shocked with a sense of helplessness taking over her. Keep watching Swaran Ghar to know what happens next, and subscribe to GlitzVisionUSA for the latest updates of your favorite shows.
Hi, this is Aditi,
Hi, this is Vikram Singh Chauhan.
and you're watching us on GlitzVision USA.